How to bind your account to Kabam ID in Marvel Contest of Champions. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can bind your account using your Kabam ID on MCOC. So first is of course open up MCOC application on your mobile device to make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. This is very simple. All I have to do first once you're logged in is to tap on the gear icon at the top left portion of your screen. Now, once you're here, all I have to do is to scroll down a bit under accounts, and you should be able to see Discord, create Kabam ID, and then support. Just simply choose on create Kabam ID, and this is going to be the login page of your Kabam credentials. Now, if you don't have an account yet, just simply choose on create an account, create your Kabam ID, and it will automatically be binded into your MCOC account. Now, if you already have a Kabam ID account, just simply log in your Kabam ID credentials, such as your email and password. And once you hit on login, it will automatically be binded. And that's it. That's how you bind your account to Kabam ID and Marvel Contest of Champions.